Let me show you the way that you fix the Snapchat filters not loading. If you're having issues loading these Snapchat filters, the first thing that you'll need to check if the location is enabled inside of your Snapchat or not. To check that, you can just tap and hold the app of Snapchat, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to permissions and make sure that the locations options is set to allow. This was not set to allow. This is the exact issue that you're facing. Now once you try to open up the app of Snapchat, your issue should be fixed. But however, if this is not the issue with you, the second thing that you can try out is try to check for any new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and make sure the Snapchat app is up to date. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue. After you complete this step, what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache of Snapchat. So again, tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage, and then tap on clear cache. Once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat filters not loading. But however, if you're still having issues, the last thing that you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Snapchat from your phone and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue.